Hello, beautiful moms, and hello, proud papas. Hope you are all fine and your babies are also doing well. So, there are so many questions related to baby sleep that keeps parents worried all the time. Is my baby sleeping well? Is my baby sleeping just too much? Why my baby is twitching in sleep? Or why my baby is getting up at night and starts crying? So, there are so many questions. So today in this video, I'm going to answer all your questions. And if you like my video, please like and share the video. And if you want much more updates on baby care or mother care topics, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of my upcoming videos. So welcome to my channel, A Journey Through Motherhood. So let's start with a newborn baby sleep schedule. A newborn baby will sleep anywhere around 16 to 18 hours per day. As the baby grows, requirement of amount of sleep will reduce. But normally babies sleep a lot. Babies get tired very easily and then they need rest. Of course, each baby is different than another. So the requirement of sleep may be different for each baby. And the time period for which they sleep can be anywhere from 1 hour to 4 hours at a stretch. So you may think if you should try and put your baby on a sleep schedule. But I would say that it is too early for them to put them on a sleep schedule. However, you can introduce some, sleep habits, good sleep habits to your baby, which will make them understand that this is the time to go to bed. Unpredictable sleep patterns is something which worries parents a lot. Because of these unpredictable sleep patterns in babies, parents are often sleep deprived. But the newborn babies are so new to this world. They are not aware of the difference between day and night. They are not aware at what time they should go to bed and what time they should get up. So their internal body clock is not yet set, which will get set gradually. But till that time, you will have to manage according to their preferences. Also, their nutritional requirements are so much different than adults. So they have to be fed every 2 to 3 hours. So of course they will not be able to sleep for a very long stretch. In my case, Amanthi used to sleep for a long stretch at nights. However, her sleep patterns used to be very unpredictable during the day. So we are all aware of the twitching in babies when they are asleep. Many people think that these little jerks or spasms of their arms, head, leg, mouth. It is just a response to their dreams. However, there are so many researches going on this topic right now, which proves that this is not only the response for their dreams. Rather, it is a brain development that is going on when babies are asleep. So let's understand science behind all these. So basically, there are two type of sleep cycles in human being. One is REM and second is non-REM. REM stands for rapid eye movement. Well, first comes non-REM and then comes REM. Even in non-REM, there are three stages. Stage one, your eyes are closed, but you are not asleep. It is very easy for you to get up. Stage two, when you are in a light sleep, your body is getting ready for deep sleep. Stage three, this is the deep sleep stage. In this stage, your body repairs and regrows tissues, build bones or muscles, and strengthens the immune system. This is why we need a good sleep and rest when we are sick. So this is non-REM cycle. Then comes REM. In REM cycle, your brain is very much active. This is the time when we can experience intense dreams. However, in adults, REM cycle is only 20% of total sleep, whereas in babies, REM cycle is almost 50% of the total sleep that baby gets. So now you can understand there are, newborn babies are sleeping like 16 to 18 hours per day, out of which 50% of their sleep is being used for their brain development. I have seen many parents worrying that why their baby is switching so much when the baby is asleep. Well, this is a good news for you. Your baby is twitching because your baby's brain development is going on right now. So exactly what is happening during this REM cycle is your baby's brain sensory motors are getting developed. So, in simple words, when a sleeping baby twitches, it is actually activating a circuit through the brain which tells your baby's body about their limbs and what they can do with these limbs. So, it is a great thing if your baby twitches during their sleep. Please don't worry about it. Well, another question that worries mothers is if she should wake her baby up for feeding. Well, I would say no, because healthy babies normally wake themselves whenever it is needed or if they are hungry. So it is very normal if a baby sleeps for 4 to 5 hours in a stretch. In fact, it is good for you if your baby is sleeping for such a long stretch, especially if it is at night. The baby is allowing you to complete your sleep as well. And it is very unnecessary to wake your baby up when even your baby doesn't want to be fed. So that's okay if your baby sleeps for long stretches. Only in cases when you have to consult a doctor or wake your baby is as follows. If you think your baby is not growing well and not gaining enough weight, or if your baby is not having 12 feedings in a day, or if your baby is not having at least 4 weight diapers in a day, or if your baby is sleeping for a very long stretch, more than 5 hours, in that case, you should wake your baby up or consult your doctor in necessary situations and decide what should you do. As I said, it is very early for your baby to put him on a sleep schedule, but you can always introduce some good sleep habits to your baby. These habits can be, giving a chance to your baby to take nap very frequent. Newborn babies cannot stay awake for a very long stage. At the most, they can stay awake for like 2 hours. You need to observe them and see if they are showing some signs or symptoms of tiredness. And if you see some symptoms, you should take your baby to sleep. The symptoms could be rubbing eyes, itchy ears, or staring at some place randomly. These could be one of the symptoms that your baby is showing and telling you that your baby is tired. Second good habit could be teach your baby the difference between day and night. Well, babies are very small, they are new to this world, they are not aware of the difference between day and night. But you can create some differences. What you can do is during the daytime, play with your baby, keep the lights bright, do not worry about the voices around you. At the same time, at the night, when you want your baby to go to bed, what you can do is keep the lights dim or take your baby to a quiet room, keep the interactions quiet. You can give your baby a bath or change their clothes before taking them to the bed. So these kind of routines will make them understand that this is time to go to bed. Learn your baby's tired signs. Baby will always show some signs when they are tired. Signs could be like rubbing eyes, itchy ears, or they are staring at some place randomly. So these could be one of the signs that they are showing. As you will spend some time with your baby, you will learn and you will understand the kind of signs and symptoms that your baby is showing. Initially, it may be difficult for you, but gradually you will learn. So this is all for today. I tried to cover as much as possible. If you think I have missed some of the points and you have any questions, please ask your questions in comments and like my video and share if you like it. And let me clear that I am not a doctor. So if you have any concerns, please talk to your doctor. I hope this video helps you and wait for my upcoming video. Till then, bye.